Mary jokes. 8. Husband says to Doc.
I can't speak to my wife directly as she might find it offensive, given our old age.
The doctor says.
There's a simple trick you can try to determine her hearing. Simply ask her a question at a distance, and if she doesn't hear you, move slightly closer and ask again until she does.
That night, the husband arrives home and sees his wife in the kitchen cooking. He thinks to himself, what a perfect opportunity to test her hearing. He stands in the doorway of the kitchen and promptly asks,
What's for dinner, honey?
No answer. He moves closer.
What's for dinner, honey?
Still no answer. He moves even closer.
What's for dinner, honey?
Still, his wife doesn't answer now. He sees how serious her hearing problem is at this point. He has stood right next to his wife.
What's for dinner, honey?
For the fourth damn time, Albert, we're having chicken.